Hello guys, today in this video I am going to show you how you can convert a large PDF like this. Here you can see that this is a PDF of 22 pages. So how you can convert a large PDF of like this, which is created using images, into Word file. Basically we will convert this image PDF into Word, and then we will convert the Word file into a translated native languages file. So let's see how we can do that. First of all, I have to go to Chrome browser and then I'm clicking on DeepSeek. Why I'm choosing DeepSeek? Because the other tool cannot convert the image PDF. Okay, now I have to select the file. So I'm going to the path. This is the PDF. I'm selecting here and then I'm writing a prompt. Write the text as it is. Okay, now since the PDF is loaded, I'm clicking on this button and it will start converting. First of all, it will take a few seconds to think and then it will process. So the processing is completed. Here you can see that it has given me page 1, page 2. Let's see whether it matches with our own with our original content or not. Pages 2. Let's see our pages 2. So in page 2, participative leadership and team-based structure where decision making is collective. This type of text is appearing for the first time. So here is also it is. That means everything is correct. Now we have to copy this. I have to copy in this way by selecting. If we just click on copy, so it will add some asterisk sign. We don't need that. After selecting, I have to open a Word document. I'm clicking on a blank document and I'm pasting it. Okay, after pasting you will see an icon like here, control. So I'm clicking on this and then I have to click on this option. So now you can see that the docs file is ready. So I think you've got an idea how to convert an image PDF into a docs file. Now we will start the second stage, which is we have to convert the docs file into a translated document. For doing this, I'm saving this file, save as this PC. Then I'm going to my folder, which is the garbage folder, and I'm giving a name, translate it. Okay, I'm cropping this and then I'm going further to the Chrome browser. I'm taking a tab and then click on this menus, Google Apps, and go to Docs. Open a blank document and then click on the file menu, click open, click upload and then browse, and after that select the document you want to translate it into. It will take a few seconds to be loaded. Okay, now here you can see that the doc file is loaded. And now to translate it in my native language, I have to click on the tools option and then you will find an option, translate document. Click on this and then choose your native language. In my case, I'm selecting Bengali. Then I'm clicking on translate. So it will open a new tab and you will see that the whole page is translated at once within a few seconds. This is really impressive. And now the last work. I have to save this as PDF. So I'm clicking on print. You can also go with download. I'm clicking on PDF and then I'm clicking on save. And you can also give a name. I'm not doing that. I'm clicking on save. And the file is ready. And now I'm going to open this. So this is the translated file. Okay. So I hope you will like this video. If it was really helpful for you, then share it and please Tell me in the comment section, then it was helpful for you.